On to a big development coming from India. 2 policemen have died and 12 injured after terrorists opened fire on a bus carrying personnel of the 9th Battalion of Jammu and Kashmir Armed Police Corps. According to officials, terrorists fired upon a police vehicle near Zewan area of Srinagar. All the injured personnel evacuated to a hospital, and the area has now been cordoned off. Sources say that out of the 11 injured, 1 policeman is in a critical condition. The updates are trickling in. The story is developing. Our correspondent Idris Lone is now joining us from Srinagar for more updates. Idris, over to you. What more do we know at this point?
Well, Molly, at the moment, the whole area has been cordoned off by security forces, and they're trying to nab the militants who are responsible for the attack. If we talk about the injured soldiers who are being treated at the hospital, 11 soldiers are in hospital at the moment. 1 is very critical. Others have less injuries are not that grave. But at the moment, security forces completely focusing on how this attack took place. This attack took place very close to Jammu and Kashmir Police's camp and directly on the national highway. It's a very high secured zone, and hardly any incidents in the past 1 year we've seen on the national highway. It's after a long time that an attack of this magnitude has taken place. All the injured were directly taken from the incident spot to Srinagar's tertiary hospital, where they're being treated at the moment. 1 assistant sub-inspector and 1 constable are the 2 who have succumbed to the injuries and have died due to the injuries that were caused by this attack. At the moment, security forces saying that Lashkar or Jaish-e-Mohammed could be the outfits responsible for the attack. But so far, there's been no responsibility taken by any outfit. Earlier today, we also saw in Srinagar city, there was an encounter between militants and security forces in which 2 Lashkar-e-Toiba militants were killed. After that, security forces were put on high alert across the Srinagar city. But despite that, we saw that this attack did take place. Now, the whole of Srinagar again on red alert, especially the national highway after this incident.
Idris Lone getting us those updates. We're leaving it there for the moment. Thanks very much. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.